Let me show you how to add a credit card to your Cash App. I have my Amex Gold card here, but you can use any credit card really. I have my Capital One here, but we're not gonna use that one. We will use my Amex Gold card. Obviously, use your own credit card. If you have a Discover, if you have a Chase, if you have a B of A, whatever credit card you're gonna use to add to your Cash App, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to be able to do that. All right, so it's pretty easy. Let's just go to the CashApp app, and then you go to the top right with that little profile picture. You see your account. If you want to Cash App me any money, feel free to do so. There's my tag right there. But if you scroll down to where it says linked banks, you click on that, and you can see I have my two Chase cards here. Well, my Chase debit card and my Chase bank account. But we're gonna add my Amex card now. So we're going to link credit card and send. If you use your credit card to send money, Cash App will charge you 3% fee. So this is useful if you're gonna pay a merchant for a service. If they accept Cash App, you'll use your credit card. If you wanna send money to a friend and you don't mind incurring that 3% fee, then go ahead and do that as well. I've heard of people, I haven't done this, but I've heard of people that want to quote unquote withdraw money from their credit cards. Again, I'm not saying to do this, but I've heard that people will send money using a credit card to a friend or relative. They incur that 3% charge, and then they just ask their friend to send that money back to them through Cash App or another means, or withdraw it and then just get the actual cash. But if you just want to pay for something or pay someone using your credit card, you can do it this way. And then you just go ahead and enter your number. Now I'm going to enter mine. All right, I'm not gonna tell you what my number is. I'm just gonna go ahead and enter it. Okay, and then you add your expiration date and then your CV code. Normally it's a 3-digit number, but because I'm adding an Amex card, this is a 4-digit number. And then your zip code. Boom, it will process, and boom, it processed, and it's done. Now I have my two Chase accounts, my debit card, my bank account, and now my Amex card. Now, if you want to send money to somebody, you click on the $sign down below, the Cash App sign, and then you send someone $1 or $1,000, whatever it is, $10,000, and you don't mind incurring that cost, the 3% charge. You click pay. You're gonna type the person's name, or you suggest it down below. But what you want to do is right below the value amount at the top middle portion, you see right now it says Chase Bank, so it's gonna take it out of my Chase Bank. But if I click on that down arrow, you see I can use my Amex card, but it tells me the fee because it's $10,000. It's gonna charge me $300 fee because of that 3% charge. I can just click that, boom, and now it will send the money to whoever I want from that card. But I'm not gonna do it right now. But you could if you wanted to. All right, that's it.